Hello friends! Today we're taking a magical journey to meet the 12 animals of the Chinese Zodiac. Are you ready? Let's go! First up is the rat. Clever and quick, the rat was the first to cross the finish line in the great race. Say hello to the smart little rat. Next is the ox, strong and hardworking. The ox is always ready to lend a helping hoof. Mood-tastic. Now here comes the tiger, brave and bold. The tiger loves a good adventure. Can you give a big roar like a tiger? Say hi to the rabbit. Sweet and kind. The rabbit brings good luck wherever it goes. Hop, hop, hooray! And here's the mighty dragon, the only magical creature in the zodiac. The dragon is full of energy and wisdom. Wow, what a showstopper! Now, meet the snake, wise and mysterious. The snake knows how to stay calm under pressure. Spectacular! Now say hi to the horse. The horse is energetic and adventurous, always ready to explore new places. Can you neigh like a horse? Time to meet the sheep, gentle and kind. The sheep always brings peace and harmony. Beautiful. Get ready to giggle with the monkey. Funny and clever. The monkey loves to play tricks and make everyone laugh. Here's the rooster, confident and proud. The rooster loves to help everyone stay organized. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Woof, woof. The dog is always loyal and caring, eager to keep its friends safe. What a brave pup. Last but not least, meet the pig, easygoing and friendly. The pig loves to enjoy life's little pleasures. Oink, oink. And there you have it, the 12 animals of the Chinese Zodiac. Each one is special in its own way. Thanks for learning with us, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tickle Time TV for more fun adventures. Bye-bye.